a simple application of derivative, which is if x square plus y square, this is equal to t plus 1 by t, and x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4, this is equal to t square plus 1 by t square. Then we have to find the value of dy dx among the four options. Okay. Now we start from here. This can be written as x square plus y square whole square minus 2x square y square. This is equal to t square plus 1 by t square, right? Now putting the value of x square plus y square here, we get t plus 1 by t whole square minus 2x square y square. This is equal to t square plus 1 by t square. And clearly this can be written as t square plus 1 by t square minus 2x square y square. This is equal to t square plus 1 by t square. And this term cancel out from both sides. And we write the result as x square plus y square. This is equal to minus 1, right? And getting the result as this is y square, this is minus 1 by x square. So differentiating both sides, we get 2y dy dx. This is equal to 2 by x cube, and 2 cancel out. This is dy dx, which is given by 1 by x cube y. Okay. So our correct option is option number. Obviously, this is B. This is very simple application of derivative. Okay. Thank you for watching.